Very good evening everyone. I am Vivek, faculty of mathematics. Today I am going to discuss the chapter name is Introduction to Three-Dimensional Geometry. So, before going to study of Introduction to Three-Dimensional Geometry, we have studied in earlier classes two-dimensional geometry, right? So, what is two-dimensional geometry? What is the definition of two-dimensional geometry? So, see here, we have considered two lines, means two planes. Planes means flat surface. So, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis called as a two-dimensional geometry. Here, these two planes are intersecting point O, right? Point O. And these two lines are mutually perpendicular to each other. So these two lines are mutually perpendicular to each other. This is called a two-dimensional geometry. And we have four quadrants in two-dimensional geometry. We know. So in first quadrant, positive x-axis and positive y-axis, we call it first quadrant. This position is first quadrant. And second, so you have to move in an anti-clockwise, right? So this is the second quadrant. Here, negative x-axis and positive y-axis. So this is the negative x-axis and this is the positive y-axis. So minus comma plus is the coordinates of this second quadrant. And third quadrant, the down anti-clockwise. Here, the negative x-axis and the negative y-axis. So here positive y-axis above the 0 means above the O and below is negative y-axis. So third quadrant is negative x-axis and the negative y-axis. Correct? And the last but not the least, fourth quadrant, see here, this is the positive x-axis and the negative y-axis. So we call this a fourth quadrant. So we have here only one plane. This is xy plane. This is xy plane. Only we call as a two-dimensional geometry. Now, using this two-dimensional geometry concept, we are moving further advance in three-dimensional geometry. Here, two-dimensional somewhat visible. In three-dimensional somewhat imaginary type. Right. So here I am considering three planes. So in three-dimensional geometry we have three planes. What are the three planes? Here this is the blue plane, entire blue plane, and another one is red plane. This is the red plane, and one more is brown plane. So these three planes are intersecting the point O and mutually perpendicular to each other. So all three lines are mutually perpendicular to each other. Understood? So these three planes are mutually perpendicular to each other. So this direction is called x-axis and this direction is called as a y-axis and this direction is called as a z-axis. Understood? So in generally, this is 3D picture. In generally, we can write in the textbook or notebook. Second plane and the third plane. So see here, three planes are means three lines. First, this is the x-axis. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. This is the z-axis. Right? What is taken? This is x-axis, y-axis. This is z-axis. This is the height is the z-axis. So this is planes. What are the three planes? This bottom is there. This is the xy plane. xy plane. So ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅದನ್ನು xy plane ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಸೊ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ is the xy plane. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು x ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ y ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಕೂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ xy plane ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ as x o y. x o y is called as a